In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download a CSV of Etsy listings in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy allows you to export your listings data as a CSV file, which is useful for managing inventory, editing listings in bulk, and keeping backups of your products. Now, if you want to download a CSV of your Etsy listings, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your Shop Manager from the top menu. After that, go to Settings and then click on Options. Then scroll down until you find the Download Data section. Now look for the Listings option in the available reports. After that, choose the CSV format and select a date range if needed. Then click Download CSV to generate your file. Once ready, the listing CSV will download to your device. Next, open it using tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to view and manage your listings data. Keep in mind that this file includes important details like titles, prices, quantities, and descriptions of your products. Also, you can use this CSV to quickly edit or analyze multiple listings at once. That's it. By downloading your Etsy listing CSV, you can manage your shop more efficiently and stay organized.